Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time this is when you're watching this. I hope you're having a beautiful day. It is stunning today in Miami. It is Monday morning, so I've already had my coffee. I'm makeup BB cream done, and I'll go ahead and show you guys the favorite BB cream that I've been just obsessed with lately later on in this video. But I'm gonna go ahead and just pack my bag because I have to step into the office today, and then I'm also going riding in the afternoon, so I'm kind of just prepping for that. But I want to take you along my entire week this week. I have a lot of things planned. I wanted to bring you along what my week looks like and kind of just show you guys how we do Thanksgiving here, even though it is a socially distant COVID edition. So yeah, just come along with me. Oh, almost dropped you guys. Okay, so quickly before I step out, I just got this package from Skims, and I had been waiting for this collection to restock, the cotton collection, and I got it in white just because I do like lighter colors, but I think I'm gonna have to exchange it just because it is ultra sheer. I kind of wish I would have gone with the black color. The size is very true to size. I am obsessed with it, but the color is just too sheer for me. The tank top I probably will be keeping, but I just probably want to exchange the shorts. I don't know. I'm really loving it, but can't have my butt hanging out, you know? Also, Aster sent over these 3 pieces, which are perfect for the holidays. I might even be wearing this dress for Thanksgiving, but I wish there was a touch cam because this fabric, this suede, is just buttery soft. They even threw in this bodysuit, which is of traditional basic sweater bodysuit, but they have this cool feature that has a cut. Okay, they're screaming at me because I have to go now and I'm running behind. All right, gotta go. I'll just follow me on Instagram to see how I style these. Gotta get changed and let's go. It's like filming. So I just left my office. I am on my way to my riding lesson, and I have a little bit of a drive now because it's a holiday. I'm only gonna be riding once this week, unless I schedule something for Friday morning. I just wanted to make sure I got a ride-in before the craziness of having to cook for everyone. I also have my cousin's surprise party tomorrow, which I'm so excited for. She has no idea. I'm gonna try to get some footage, but it'll be hard because it's a little dark. I hate this time change. Does anyone else hate it like me? And okay, we're going now, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down and just everyone have a beautiful day. Let's drive safe and hopefully I'll get there. So it's much later on in the day. It's actually 5:40. I have my cousin's surprise dinner tonight. It's a small intimate dinner for her birthday because her birthday is on Thanksgiving. So we are hoping that she has no idea as of right now, but we'll see what happens. My younger sister was kind enough to curl my hair while I was taking work calls, so thank you to her. It came out so good. Thank you, Salon, for that. This is real. This is me. This is not exactly where I'm supposed to be, but we're gonna get there. Anyways, let's get started. Yesterday I told you guys I would share with you the BB cream that I've been loving. I'm loving it so much that I'm even using it as foundation in the nighttime. It's IPKN's Moist and Firm Beauty Balm. It actually has SPF 45, but it has no flashback. Very crazy to me that this is a BB cream because it's very full coverage, but then it also has a natural finish. I always do this with my foundations. I put it on my fingers and then dot it all over my face like so. hope everyone is having a beautiful day so far. So Dash Bar reached out to me, and this is like, they couldn't have reached out at a more perfect time just because with the chaos of the holiday and work. I have not had a chance to do my nails, like they're so bad, and they're basically inviting me over to check out their salon, which on Instagram, if you haven't looked at them, I'll link them down below, looks so stunning. I'm gonna be getting a manicure, pedicure, and a wash and blowout all in under 60 minutes, which is just amazing, especially since I barely have any time right now to spare. I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me, and yeah.
The drying station. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, but this place is so freaking cute. Look how my hair came out.
So I'm on my way home from Dash Bar, and I just had such an incredible experience. I was really nervous before going, just because I haven't gone to a salon since COVID began. So it's been over 6 months. So cleanliness was obviously of maximum importance to me, and they just made me feel extremely comfortable. They took my temperature right before I even stepped in, and they are not allowing anyone who doesn't have an appointment, so there's no one just walking in and out of the salon. But let me tell you, after cleanliness, that was the cutest salon I've ever been to. Everything was pink. The attention to detail was just amazing. I was so satisfied. I felt like I was in pink heaven. Everything was so Instagrammable. I couldn't even stop taking photos. The people were so nice. Thank you so much, Dash Bar, for having me. I will definitely be back. And now I am on my way back to the craziness of turkey day prep. So I'm going to be baking a ton. I'm going to be helping Leah make the turkey and all of the delicious sides, which, let's be honest, are the best part of the day. Let me know if you agree with me or not. I'm in such a holiday cheery mood. I hope everyone is having a beautiful Thanksgiving, or by the time you had a beautiful Thanksgiving, and I hope you continue to have a beautiful day. So I just got back from Dash Bar about 2 hours ago. I went ahead and changed, had some dinner, and basically now it's Thanksgiving Day prep. You are currently in my cup drawer, and now the craziness begins. I'll probably be up till 2 a.m. just cooking and helping out here. I'm gonna be making my flan right now, and for the first time ever I will be making the cranberry sauce, which is a favorite dish of mine. I've never seen Breaking Bad, but apparently this is kind of what that looks like. So basically you bring sugar, you melt sugar in a pan. You can add water, but it's not necessary. You just want to make sure that it gets to a golden brown, a little dark but not too dark, because that makes it bitter. If you want it bitter though, you could do that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the recipe down below and just show you guys more or less how that works. Mom cam. Sugar has melted to this color consistency. You're just gonna literally grab it and pour it into the wherever dish you want to make the flan in. Careful, because it gets really hot, and I've gotten burnt so many times doing this dish, and they're very bad burns. So this is where you have to be extra careful and just move it around and frame the mold where you want to be doing it before, and you want to do this before it gets, because it's gonna get hot again. You kind of want to, I don't know if you can see, this is where I burnt myself, but kind of just do it like that, yeah. Ta-da. wait for this to melt, which is actually almost over. I'm gonna try a cranberry. Have you guys ever tried a cranberry? Wanna try one with me? No? Okay.
Porque como, así, tal cual.
I am not a fan of cranberries on their own. Just keep them in the sauce and they'll be delicious. Dissolve the sugar in orange juice, stir in the cranberries, and cook until the cranberries start to pop at 10 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. Just so everyone knows, refrigerators have the best lighting. So if you're looking for a cute selfie this Thanksgiving, oh, she's stunning, beautiful, gorgeous, divine, delicious, juicy. Oh my goodness, oh, I have a beautiful little girl. She's Thanksgiving ready too. You licked the lens. Happy Thanksgiving. I am fully ready. I have been cooking all morning. I have not stopped. That is hence why you're gonna just see food footage. I made homemade mac and cheese from scratch. Chef's kiss. I'll be showing like the cheesy goodness, and then on top of it all, I topped it with like more cheese and like panko, so it's gonna be like a crunchy top. Oh, and this is what I am wearing today. So we have this Zara set from last year, which is just a kind of nude beigey floral set. I layered it, put a tank top and kind of just threw it over, casual sneakers, comfortable time to be in the kitchen, and then let's head downstairs and see what everyone else is up to. Alright, because I still have to put a couple more things in the oven. Let's check on the turkey. Oh, and I made the flan yesterday. It looks so good. Today I have to flip it over. Oh, fun fact. I made a cake for my neighbor and I walked over in my pajamas, my very Christmas themed pajamas, and knocked on the door and knocked on the door, and they were not there after they literally told me that they were going to be there today. So there's an extra cake now at the table, and yeah, let's head down and see what everyone else is up to. Queen of the sauces, people. Self-proclaimed, of course. Can I try it? We're tying the pork shoulder. Cheers. Oh my god. That's so good. Salty. Let me show you guys the table. We're going to be serving everything here. We like to plate it to kind of see the layout of everything. So pretty. How do you feel, Carolina? Accomplished, hungry, and thankful. Should have been using this side from the beginning.
No, yeah. But I like the smaller ones better. I like the variety of sizes.
Yeah.
You haven't got a sweet potato?
I never eat sweet potato.
No.
Se demoró una hora cogiendo el macarrón a chile en el mercado.
And this here, I just want to say I'm thankful for everyone, everything, mental health, physical health, and